Hello, thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy to make and store dessert, and it's a traditional Syrian dessert called soukseh. Soukseh is made from tea biscuits and chocolate. Let's get started. I'm starting out by adding 120 tea biscuits. We're going to crush them and break them up, not into a powder form, but just enough to make smaller pieces. Over medium heat, I'm adding half a cup of half and half a cup of whole milk. As soon as your milk starts warming up, add 1 cup of granulated sugar. After your sugar dissolves in the milk, add 1 cup of room temperature butter. Add a pinch of salt and whisk in your butter and sugar and milk mixture. Then add half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. As soon as your mixture starts to come up to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now turn off your heat and set it aside. In a separate bowl, add 1 room temperature egg. We're going to mix the egg and we're going to add our hot chocolate mixture 1 spoon at a time so we won't fully cook the egg whenever we add the hot mixture. It's very similar to making a custard. So as soon as we add our whole chocolate mixture to our egg, then we can start preparing our dessert. Our mixture is now ready to add to our tea biscuits. Pour your chocolate mixture on top of your tea biscuits. Your tea biscuits are going to start absorbing the chocolate and become like a paste. Keep mixing it up until all your cookies are covered with chocolate. Now it's time to use your hands to get this all into one piece. Our mixture is now ready to place on a parchment paper. I have a parchment paper here rolled out, and ready for me to roll it into. Now you can form this to the shape of your choice, but traditionally it is rolled out like a roll. After rolling it in the parchment paper, add some foil to it and place in the freezer for at least 8 hours. You can even do overnight. Whenever it's ready, get it out of the freezer while it's still frozen, cut it into the slices of your choice, and serve chilled. Thank you for watching this easy and delicious Syrian dessert. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my page on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.